First, right off the bat, I love how it looks like a gift. When I receive packages, typically they just look like boring product in the package and that's it, nothing exciting. But when I open this, I'm like, ooh, it looks fancy. It makes it feel sleek and elegant. So let's go ahead and take off the bow. All right, so it comes with this little pamphlet here and it says explore your options. So I did get both sets. So I have the Firm and Smooth collection as well as a Soothe and Protect. Now the Firm and Smooth collection is great for those who want to have firmer skin that reduces the fine lines of spots, wrinkles, and appears more youthful. But for me, I think the Soothe and Protect collection is going to be best because obviously both do have the hyaluronic acid, which is really great for hydrating your skin, but I do have super sensitive skin, so this one says that it's best for the sensitive skin. So this one is also great for if you have a partner that shaves their face and is constantly having that irritation. I think that the Soothe and Protect will be best for them. So it shows the ingredients that come in them and what they are known to help with. It looks like all of them have the ultra hydrating and moisturizing hyaluronic acid, and it has multi-peptide blends to help diminish wrinkles, brighten an even skin tone. This is something that's really important to me because I do have very uneven skin tone. I do have redness as well. So it has cucumber extract in it, softens and nourish the skin with aloe vera. Aloe vera is also really good to help reduce inflammation. So I'm excited for that. Also, who doesn't love anti-aging? It is way easier to prevent than it is to cure. So I will do whatever I need to help prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and all of that. Each collection has 4 different products. The first is the cleanser, the balancing toner to help prep your skin for the serum, and the moisturizer. I feel like this is a gift. Look how it is beautifully wrapped in the Uncovered Skincare sticker as well as tissue paper. This basically just says that this is a gift from Pure Romance for being a part of their senior board. It is a full 30-day regimen. Looking at the packaging, I love that the colors contrast each other with that black and white. I love how simple and clean it looks. And I believe it comes with Uncovered Skincare towel that is very nice. It is so soft. I have never used a skincare line that came with a towel. And here's the deal, it's actually really important to use a towel that is gentle enough on your skin. A lot of times men and women use towels that are really harsh on their skin, and you need something that's going to be very gentle, especially if you want to prevent any extra damage. So this is so soft. I love that it comes with it. And I don't know if this is a mask or if it's just another towel. Actually now wonder if it's to put your hair up. That's probably what it is. I absolutely love crinkle paper as well as tissue paper, so they already have me there. These are the 2 different lines. The white is the Firm and Smooth, and then the Soothe and Protect is that one that's made for super sensitive skin, so I'll definitely probably be using this one. I'm also going to have my husband try it. Healthy skin is happy skin. Care for yours with a collection that nourishes, soothes, and protects while helping reduce the visible signs of aging. That is 100% what I want to do. We are going to start this unboxing with the Soothe and Protect collection because this is the one that I am really excited to use for myself. I know that it has a lot of ingredients to help with inflammation and redness, which is something that I do have. I also have very uneven skin tone, so I'm excited to see how this will help. Now, the first step in really any skincare is obviously the cleanser. Taking a look at the packaging, I really love that it's very simple. There's no loud designs going on. It just looks and appears like a clean design. Second step is the toner. If you've never used a toner before, I only used one once before, and to be quite honest, that was maybe like a year ago. No one has ever told me why I needed a toner. So a toner simply is to help balance out your skin, open up your pores to get ready for the hydration that follows. One thing that I really like about this packaging, if you see here, it looks very different than any other toner packaging I've ever seen before. Most toning products, it basically is either in a spray bottle or one that you just pour out onto a cotton pad, right? But with this one, you put your cotton pad onto it, press down, and it dispenses the product that you need. And so what I like about that is you are not going to overuse. So you're not going to waste product because you're not pouring it on, spraying it on. It gives you the exact amount that you need. Also, one thing I want to mention about the packaging is it does say on the back that this is cruelty-free, which is really important to me. So I love that Pure Romance continued to not test on animals, because I know a lot of big box companies do. So I love that they do not. After you are done with the toner, you are then going to apply the eye serum. And with this, I know a lot of eye serums come in a little bit smaller packaging because you really do not need a lot. So you don't need a big bottle like you do the toner or the cleanser. A little bit goes a long way. And I know in general, Pure Romance products are tried and true with that. You don't need a lot. Lastly, the moisturizer, and this again is something that I'm really excited for because it does have the aloe vera, the hyaluronic acid to help with hydration, and then the cucumber and lavender to help with the redness. So that is the Soothe and Protect collection. Let's go into the second one. Now we will open the Firm and Smooth collection, and since they all contain the same type of products with the cleanser, the toner, the eye serum, and the moisturizer, I won't go through all of them individually again, and they look the same. So we have the cleanser here with the aloe vera leaf juice, hyaluronic acid, cucumber and lavender extracts, and glycolic acid. And then the toner, which is used to help prep your skin to get ready for the hydration. So we have the eye serum, which I absolutely just love. It just feels so cooling on your skin. And then the moisturizer. I mentioned before that my skin is very sensitive. It's also very dry after having a baby, and I typically go for a moisturizer that's very thick because I need something that's going to truly hydrate my skin for more than just a couple of minutes. I want it to last all day long. But the thing with those types of moisturizers is they usually feel heavy and sticky and just gross throughout the day. And what I like with this moisturizer is that it's very light. It doesn't feel sticky or feel like there's a film residue on my skin, but it gives that feeling of a deeper and thicker moisturizer. So I really, really like this, and it lasts all day long. I don't have to reapply throughout the day. I love that I only have to put it on once in the morning and then once at night. All right, so there you have it for the Firm and Smooth collection. I can't wait to hear what you guys think and what your personal results are. I will be taking before and after pictures after a month of use, so I'm so excited to share that with you, and I can't wait to see what your personal results are as well. When I used this while I was pregnant, I had a lot of acne flare-ups in that first trimester, and using this specific line helped keep it at bay. I didn't break out as often, and it was really nice because I do have sensitive skin, so this wasn't something that caused irritation. I have tried other products before that caused my skin to get really red after using it because of how sensitive it is, and with this it didn't cause that at all, and it helped keep everything at a minimal breakout while pregnant. Because I do have sensitive skin, I really prefer that this line was fragrance free. It didn't aggravate any flare-ups, and it kept my skin hydrated, which is something that my skin lacked. I definitely needed more moisture in my skin, and I love that you saw instant results with using this line. These products are very easy to apply, which is perfect for especially my life. I have a baby, so I don't have a lot of extra time, so I love that you don't need a lot when using these, and it's very quick to use. You don't have to spend a ton of time applying or using these products.